update on the monster bike build. So far I already made the chain guard. So it's gonna be the chain guard. I made a chain tensioner for this rear chain because I noticed it was getting loose sometimes, like it was flopping around. I also did install uh, the rear brake. I might be changing to a hydraulic one because I don't like how this one works. So you can see the chain guard goes all the way around. That's the original brake, pedal brake. It works, but I don't like how soft it is, so I probably, like I say, go hydraulics. I still gotta make the fenders, the front and rear. This is how everything looks underneath. And I also start working on my seat, as you can see here. So that's gonna be the base. That'll be the base for the seat, and this is gonna be where the cushion is gonna go here. And right now I'm working on making the kickstand. So I'm using I think it's a 1-inch tube by 3/16 looks like. I heat up one side and I beat it up with the hammer. So this is gonna go somewhere like that. I'm gonna have a spring from here to here, so when you kick it, it's gonna fold up like this, and it's gonna stay like that, mostly like here. So yeah, my next video I'll probably be riding it around, and I'll have the seat already built and the kickstand, and also I'll be installing a new switch for the lights because I noticed it didn't work. So yeah, that's all what I have right now.